Good evening, everyone. It's very crowded here, overcrowded. But today I'm going to focus on the luxury brands on this road. And there's a lot of classic stores. They are selling some swanky stuff. That one is MASSIMODUTTI. Well, I think each piece worth a lot of money. Maybe more than thousands of Chinese yuan. The logo again. LONGINES. This one is for selling the swanky watches. TAGHEUER. What are they selling here? The watches too. Very swanky watches. How about that one? BREGUET. They're selling some watches. BAUMEMERCIER. That logo. Original. How about that one? JEWELRIA. Every piece is costly. ZENITH. Okay, watches too. Very nice. There's a lot of watches store. What about that one? The logo looks pretty. HMOSER. I don't know the name, but it's pretty famous, I think. How about that one? BLANCPAIN. Since 1735, long time ago. The logo. Omega. OMEGA. Everyone knows that. It comes from Switzerland. WZLLGNDORFF. They sell some rings. What about that logo? The logo. Wow. Rolex. Is that a very luxury one? Rolex. The logo. It's from Switzerland too. A Swiss watch. It's world known. TUDOR. Tudor. Is that a famous brand? It's my first time to know this one. Since I'm not a wealthy guy, I don't have too many ideas about the luxury brands. BREITLING. It's getting dark. There's a lot of people. ULYSSE. How about that one? GIRARD. ROGER. DUBUIS. Oh my God, it's pretty tough. I can't read everyone. Most of them very expensive, I think. ALANGE. Okay. VECHERON. What are they selling? Watches. So most of them are selling watches. Lantanz since 1948. How about that one? Audemars. Let's see that logo again. This is the last one here. IWC. IWC watches. Yeah, this store is gonna be opening very soon. This one. It has a great location. If it opens, I think the business is superb. And most of them are very expensive. If you've got the deep pockets, you can afford them, but most of them are not wealthy. They just can't do some window shopping. They can't afford anything in those stores. Am I right? Maybe you are a wealthy guy. You can come here and purchase some luxury stuff for your family, for your lovers, for your bosses, maybe for your boss. I don't know. They would be very jubilant to receive the gifts from you, I think. It means a lot for them. Well, that one is CARTIER. BVLGARI. Yeah. How about that one? Yeah, there are more big players. What about that one? AMIRI. DIOR. Everyone knows that. I saw it in the opposite. DIOR. It's over there. I can't see it clearly. HECHTER. Wow. Everyone is famous. Yeah, since this road is #1 for shopping here in China. So that is one of the most famous brands always come here to promote. They can afford the renting fee. Okay guys, if you like this video, give me a like. Your like is really significant for me. Look at those towers. Okay. Everyone, see you. Bye bye everyone. Ciao ciao.